Hi, in this video I'm simply going to show you really quickly how to set up a basic cycles material with a texture. So I'm gonna switch to cycles render first of all, and then I'm simply going to go to my materials tab here, and I need to click use nodes because this is the first cycles material that I'm creating. And now for the color, I can choose any color here, and now if I start rendering, it's gonna show that color. But if I want to use a texture, then I can go to this little menu here and I can choose image texture. And now I simply need to go ahead and grab my image. Okay, so there's my image, and it's not showing up because I haven't UV unwrapped this yet, and I'm not using any other mapping either. So let me go ahead and UV unwrap this cube real quick. So to UV unwrap a cube, you can do something like maybe cube projection, or you could just do smart UV projects with a angle limit of 89 degrees. And then I'm gonna hit OK. And now if I open up a UV image editor here, we can see the unwrap. And if I open up the texture here into the UV image editor, we can see the area that it's sampling from the picture. So now basically, I could of course scale this, move this around to sample a different area. But of course this cube doesn't resemble really this matchbox, so I would have to model the matchbox. So let's do that real quick. I'm gonna just turn on background images. I'm gonna add an image, and I'm gonna pick my matchbox as a background image, and I'm gonna go to orthographic mode. And now I'm simply going to SX, scale this matchbox, and maybe I should rotate because my image is a bit rotated in a bad way. So I'm just gonna real quick model this box here. I'm not going to be super accurate, but just to give you an example, maybe something like that. And let me just go ahead and delete that one and that one. Okay, so now I can unwrap this again. Maybe I'll do Smart UV project again. Or actually, let's just project from view. Maybe that's the easiest one now. I'm just gonna project from view. And let's zoom closer to get the proper size here. And then I can scale it up a little bit, rotate it up a little bit, something like that. Now if I hide the background image, you can see that we have a texturized matchbox here that takes the texture from this UV map here and this image here. And if I switch this to rendered mode, it's also rendering. Alright, so that's how easy it is to add textures to your cycles materials.